Uy, maayong adlaw. Ani aday kita karon sa pag-interview sa usa ka higala nga naka-experience og job loss. Tabangi ko ninyo sa pag-welcome no other than Jeffrey Donef, usa ka IT specialist og kasamtangan nga IT specialist sa Globe Telecommunication Company.
Thank you, Alfred.
It's an honor, sir. Salamat kayo sa imong presensya. Karon na aduna lang ko pangutana prior sa imong experience about job loss. Sir, unsa may mga hinungdan ngano nawad-an ka og trabaho?
Well, thank you for asking that. No, so medyo ulo siya hisgutan, but that's actually a practical question. So siguro naman tanan ta naka-experience ang job loss, especially when it's your first experience nga magtrabaho.
Okay.
So, first and foremost, ang pinakahinungdan gyud nga nung mobiya ta og trabaho, is it because dili na siya friendly sa tuwa? What I mean is toxic na siya. So, when a work environment is already toxic, so dili na gyud siya healthy para nimo. So, ang padulong na is anxiety. So, once you have your anxiety, you will be overthinking kung unsay mahitabo, kung okay pa ba, kung kaya pa ba. So, that's the very reason kung anong medyo makahuna-huna nagyud ka nga mabiya ka sa trabaho. Pero ang ni-add up pag yun ana is because dili lang kay toxic ang trabaho. It's mostly because nisulod lang ka sa trabaho tungod sa sweldo. Dako-dako kag sweldo, so mainganyo gyud ka mo trabaho, right? Pero once dili nimo love imong trabaho, nagyud time makaingon kag di ka poy mo ko boy. Diba? Right?
Yes.
So it's really is something you have to think for yourself. So advice lang nako sa uban, no, while you're still having your job hunting, so possible siguro na you have to seek for a job nga dili lang dakog sweldo, but a job that you will love and you would appreciate. So mao gyud na siya ang correct na side kung mangita ka og trabaho. Then, the last thing na nihawa ko sa trabaho is because I was burned out. So, I've been on my job as an IT specialist for 3 years. 3 years is quite a long time for me to stay on a job that I don't love. So, I guess it's reasonable enough to stay out of it and try to see a different perspective. Kasi marami namang opportunity. Basta, masipag ka at madiskarte kang tao. So, I guess that's quite a reason kung anong nihawa ko sa akong trabaho as an IT specialist sa telecommunication company. I wouldn't name the company kay basig lain po sila just to protect them. But yes, it's a telecommunication company. And yeah, thank you for asking.
Thank you, sir. Aside from that, sir, unsa pa man nga trabaho ang nawa nimo tungod ato nga mga reason, sir?
Okay, so aside from being an IT specialist, I've also been a utility clerk worker sa usa ka mall. But I wouldn't target that. I've also been a call center agent for 1 year and 7 months. So, gibiyaan ako siya nga trabaho tungod kay dili siya healthy. So, unsaon man nimo ang dako nga sweldo? Because, to tell you honestly, I've been having my salary 41,000 per month. So, that's 41K. So, ang uban maghunahunang, ka-okay na ana ang trabaho, dako kay kang sweldo, anong nihawa pa mangyud ka? But most of them didn't even know kung unsa gyud ang hinungdan. Working as a call center agent, dili gyud siya sayon because you'll be working night yard. So, mo yung gitag night yard, that's 1 a.m. to 7 p.m. 7 a.m. in the morning. So, 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. morning, tapos mag-break lang ka of 2 hours. So, after that, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., duty ka na naman for your day shift. So, that's a really tiring work, a really tiring environment kung mangita ka trabaho. Dako siya sweldo, pero kapoy gyud po siya. Then, since gamay ra ang imong pagitan sa kanang imong rest hours, kay na tag 3 hours, tag 2 hours, so ang mahitabuan na di na lang ka mauli sa boarding house, kay you don't wanna waste your time nga mo biyahe pa ka padulong sa imong boarding house para lang mauli. So, what will you do is, gusto po ka makibanding malinaw, so you would go around, settle with your friends, go with whatever you wanted to have just to make yourself enjoy. Kaya burnout ka almost 24 hours a day. So, giligid siya sa yon. But at the end of the day, imong lawas nagsuffer. So, even if you wanted to be healthy, ana nga klase nga trabaho, dili gyud ka ma-healthy. Kay kulang ka sa tulog, kulang ka sa disiplina sa imong kaugalingon, kulang ka sa kaning healthy nga routine ba. So at the end of the day, mo hospitalize ka out of or unsa man yung mga emergency nga mga panghitabo nga mahitabo nimo. So, in a short manner, I would like to say nga ang very hinungdan nga nung nawa ko ana nga trabaho, even if dako siya sweldo, is because I was admitted to a private hospital without even me knowing, kaya nagsuffer na ko ana nga time. So, imagine, you have no one to deal with. Nagtrabaho ka og lagyo, wala kay ka konsultahan, kay wala kay paryente kasi nilangyaw lang ka, right?
Yes.
Diba? So I know everyone could relate to this nga kanang mulangyaw na kang wala kay kaila, so ma-hospitalize ka, wala kay laing kainan. So the very reason yun, I have no choice but to end up my career. Bahalag na ko siyang sweldo, nahurot or gihapon sa akong hospital bill. That's funny, but it's real, right? So, I know you could have your own imagination to what happened to me way back to when I was still working as a call center agent. So, dili ko just say yun. So, I guess, preferably at the very end, akong advice sa kanan nga mga play trabaho, yes, normal man ang mawadaan ka og trabaho, right?
Yes.
Normal na. It's because we're trying to settle our things and look on a way kung ahata ang yan, ahata mo boost, ahata nga ka ng mas komportable. Pero, before trying to seek a job, you have to think of aha ka pwede mo grow, aha ka pwede maka-experience of something that you love and you are really interested of, and asa ka something dili ka magmahay and dili ma-risk ang imong health. So that is the most important key when you're trying to find or to seek for a job or you're trying to hunt for a job. Kasi useless ang tanan basta health ug ang imong kaugalingon, imong contract. So I guess that explains everything kung anong na ako yung mga experiences about job loss. And it's for you and for them to judge, and I hope they caught something from what I've experienced and learned from it. Yeah, and I am also flattered nga gi-interview ko nimo. So I could also express how I felt before and how I dealt with it.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're very much welcome.
So, thank you for your time, sir.
It's not a problem. Basta ikaw, it's not a problem. Just contact me if you need anything.